Hello there, it's John here again, and today I am in the Sayward Valley, all the way out at the point where the last road ends. It's a beautiful spot. It's more of a village than an actual town. There is a little grocery store, some little stores here and there, and a school and all that kind of stuff. And I'll show you around a little bit because I thought, what the heck? I'm driving past. Let's go take a look. All right, here we are, and we're out here by the marina. You see lots of boats and all that kind of stuff in there. These are mostly your commercial boats right now. And you can see all the way up the valley there. It's absolutely beautiful out here. It's a great spot to come and take a look. You can see all the way along, and out here on the wharf is a visitor center. And there's a little gallery and cafe. But get a load of the view. Just a beautiful spot. Out there you can see all of the old derelict barges and stuff that are rusted away. It's another one of those towns on the island that primarily it's a logging industry town, but there are a lot of farms around as well. Just further up the valley from here, and I'll show you that as well. Okay, well that over there is York Island. Narrow point in Johnson Strait. I'm just out here on the wharf here, and they got a little telescope you can take a look around. And back over here is where you can sit out and get some food to eat. There's a little visitor center and everything. Really nice area, especially in the summer. It's absolutely beautiful when the sun's shining, but it's pretty nice right now. It's a little cold though, but we'll just keep on cruising along and see what we see. Okay, well, just a little further up the inland, I just wanted to show you. This is a bunch of the logs and everything from the dry sort, and this is when they bring in the big barge and they load them on, or they send them down those chutes into the water and build a float, and then they load them out in the water, in the deeper water. So there you go. That is the logging industry in British Columbia and Sayward. Okay, well here we are in the downtown Sayward, or village thereof. You can rent these campsites. That's the Sayward Village Campground. Over there is the post office, fire hall, the elementary school and playgrounds and all that sort of stuff. There used to be a little strip mall here, but there isn't anymore. It closed down. The logging industry's kind of hit and miss these days, so you definitely have to take that into consideration. Out by the highway, there's the gas station, there's a little food mart sort of thing there. Otherwise, make sure if you're coming up this way, pack your groceries. You can get stuff, but, it's a little easier. But this is the downtown area of Sayward. Okay, well, here is the Heritage Hall. And the reason I'm showing you this is during the summer, they have a farmer's market here that is excellent. This is a pretty rural area, and there's a lot of farms and a lot of independent people, and they bring their crafts and foods and stuff all and set up here. I've been here a few times, and Deals were good and the food sure was excellent. So if you're around, it's definitely worth a look. That is at the Sayward Heritage Hall. And of course, there's an indoor market. Also worth a look. Okay, well, here we are by the Eve River Division sign. And if you look at this, look at the old steam donkey. They used to haul logs out of the bush with that, and there's a big burner back there. There's a cool old truck here too. Look at this baby. If you're in the market for a classic, look at that. How cool is that? It's pretty neat. And back in here, this is kind of a place you can come and camp and all that stuff, according to the sign anyway. I didn't realize you could. But a really nice spot. A lot of my family used to come. My dad and my uncle and my brother and I, we used to come steelhead fishing here in the fall. Because, I mean, around this area, you got the Eve River, you got the Salmon River. Steelhead fishing was terrific. There's an old tree. And if you look, you see every one of those rings right there is a year. Every one of them. So you gotta figure, this tree was nearly as old as I am. And up over here, they're fixing up the old Cable House. The Cable Restaurant is a restaurant that's completely wrapped in logging cable. And it looks like they're doing some work on it, which is really cool. When we were coming through here, I mean, we pretty much always stopped in here and had a bite to eat. It was really good food. And I'm sure it will be again as soon as they get her renovated. All these are old block and tackle for logging and all that stuff. But if you take a look at the building right here, all of that is wrapped in logging cable.
Nothing too high maintenance.
The entire thing. Check it out.
It's crazy. We were just up in the groceries.
Okay, well, we were just talking to the people who are the new owners of the Cable House restaurant here in Sayward. They're working hard getting it all renovated, and it's going to be open for the season. So if you're cruising by, it's definitely worth a stop now for sure. And this is all their property here as well, so they'll be camping and, you know, a nice place to grab a bite to eat. Okay, so here we are back out. That is the highway over here. And that's the first thing you'll see before you turn down to Sayward is the Co-op gas station. They got a good little store in there if there's anything you need. And there's also the Co-op food market. So that's a good thing to have. And over here is a nice little restaurant that I've always been meaning to go and eat at, but I haven't got to it yet. But really, really nice to see a food market, that's for sure. Okay, here we are in Sayward, and the elk are out there in the field. Look at that, eh? Are you having a bite to eat? Beautiful. this old truck right here. Awesome. Okay, well, I wanted to get a little shot of the Eve River, or the Salmon River, I should say, for you. This is just down under the bridge off the highway. It's not a really great place to stop. Hang on a sec, I'll see if I can get a little lower. Okay, well, I climbed down on the riprap so you could get a good view of the old Salmon River. Which is an absolutely awesome river. Like I say, used to do a little steelhead fishing around here and it was awfully good. There are we just a little wider angle there. Look at that. Okay. Now we're talking. You can see how beautifully clean the water is here. And this is just down underneath the bridge over the highway there. I get a look at that. What a beautiful spot. Well, thanks again for coming out with me. Geez, it sure was good to see you. And look forward to seeing you again real soon.